students. In the previous lecture, we learned about the life cycle of animals. In this lesson, we learned that there are the similarities between the goat and kids, and between hen and chicks, between cat and kitten, and between puppy and her mother. Okay, but however, a caterpillar and butterfly are very different to each other. Butterfly is a very beautiful. It have a six jointed legs. It have three body parts. It have a three body parts. Antenna, pair of antenna, compound eyes, and exoskeleton. Okay, three body parts are head. See here, head, and thorax. Thorax means chest part, and abdomen is a tail end. Okay, butterfly is covered by the tiny hair. Today we will learn about the life cycle of butterfly. Life cycle of butterfly is the butterfly goes through a four stages in the life cycle before becoming a adult. Okay, I will explain the life cycle, how the stages are goes to. Okay, there are the four stages in the life of butterfly: the egg, the caterpillar, the caterpillar, and the pupa, and the full grow butterfly. This life cycle is known as metamorphosis. Metamorphosis, you see here, metamorphosis. In the some animals, the young one grow into a adult animal very uh, that very different from the younger one. This changes of form is called metamorphosis. Understood? Metamorphosis means in some animals the young one grow into a adult animal that look very different from the young one. This changes of form is called as metamorphosis, and the life cycle of butterfly is also known as metamorphosis. A butterfly life start inside a tiny egg. This is tiny egg. Okay, the egg can be of various shape and colors. They have a thin but tough shell for protection. At the top of egg there is a small pit called as micropyle, through which air and water enter the egg. This stage lasts for about 3 to 7 days. There is a developing larva inside the egg when it is time to hatch the larva. Okay, and time to hatch the larva, and the larva tear open the egg shell with its jaws. Larva open the tear with its jaws. The larva is called caterpillar. Okay, after the hatching eggs, larva come out. Larva or caterpillar are same. Okay, larva also called as caterpillar. Okay, there is a the larva is called caterpillar. After the hatching, and after the hatching spend its time to eating. Caterpillar is a eat all the times. Okay, after hatching caterpillar eats all the time and grow. This is caterpillar. Okay, and grow very fast, very quickly, for about 2 to 5 weeks. Okay, caterpillar is a caterpillar spend time to only eat. Okay, 2 to 3 weeks, and they want after the eating, spend time to eating. After the eating, find the safe place to rest. When the caterpillar and larva finding a suitable place and start spinning a silk thread. Okay, after eating they want rest, and they finding a suitable place to spinning a silk thread from a hole below its and mouth. See, spinning a silk thread from a hole below its mouth. See here, below its mouth, and blow his mouth. See here, this mouth, this become a pad for it to lie on. Okay, lie on. This pad is called as cocoon. Cocoon, the cocoon is the cocoon. cocoon जो है sorry, if the after finding a suitable place, crawl inside the cocoon and goes to sleep. At this stage, goes to sleep. This is goes for sleep. Okay, and this stage is called as pupa. And pupa, spot a pupa on a twig, branches or leaf. The protection shell. Okay, see here. See this is a protection shell of the pupa. This is called protection shell of the pupa. It is called as chrysalis. After a period of 1 to 2 weeks, okay, after the period of 1 to 2 weeks, a very beautiful butterfly spread its wings. Okay, spread its wings, and that is how you see such a beautiful butterfly all fly or around you. See this, after the 2 to 3 weeks. The average lifespan of butterfly is 20 to 40 days. This is butterfly, very beautiful butterfly. Okay, and the life of butterfly is 20 to 40 days. Children, do you know the butterfly usually test with their feet, and have you ever noticed the butterfly generally sit on the flower, not on branches and leaves? That's because they drink nectar from the flower. Okay, I hope all are understood the life cycle of butterfly. Thank you.